Hello all, I welcome my students and viewers to my YouTube channel ePolitical Science, and today we will discuss about a fantastic article and a very meaningful one, and the title of that article is Those Who Shine a Light. And this article is written by Shri Arjun Meghwal ji, and he is Honorable Union Minister of State for Law and Justice, and also Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs. This article would help the students to understand the importance, relevance, and true meaning of Vyas Puja Guru Purnima. So, let us begin with this article. Guru, the timeless source of light and truth. Not just a teacher, but a tirth. The Guru's role in our journey. Now, as we talk about India's cultural legacy, which is rich in values, wisdom, and timeless teachings, its many cosmopolitan festivals are celebrations of cultural consciousness, reflections of our connection with nature's rhythms, backed by scientific insights. Guru Purnima, whose significance spans religious disciplines and centuries, is one such occasion, giving us a moment to pause and reflect. It encourages us to ask what has changed, what have we carried forward, and what have we left behind, and who all played the most profound role in the journey holding our hands on the muddy, slippery path of life. A mentor's hand, a divine thought, a mother's care, a teacher's word, a friend's faith, any can become our guiding light. So, Guru Purnima is a sacred opportunity to honor every element that guides us, molds us, and walks with us on the path of growth. Now, let us try to understand what exactly is the importance of Guru Purnima in Indian context. Now, Guru Purnima, observed on the full moon day of the Asar month, marks the day Lord Shiva, Adi Guru, imparted the knowledge of yoga to the Saptashis, the seven sages. It also commemorates the birth anniversary of Maharshi Vedvyas. Additionally, it marks the beginning of Chaturmasya, a 4 month holy period during the monsoon when sadhus and monks they stay in one place and teach their disciples. It's considered an ideal time, that is for deep meditation, chanting, fasting, and connecting with the divine energy. Now, this article talks about the main idea, that is the good faith. The Saint Kabir beautifully compares the Guru teacher to a kumhar, potter, and the Sish disciple to an unbaked clay pot. And there's a quotation: Guru Kumhar, Shish Kumbh hai, गढ़ी गढ़ी काढ़े खोट अंतर हाथ सहार दे बाहर मारे चोट. Just as a potter uses one hand inside the pot to support it gently and the other hand outside to heat and shape it, a true guru disciplines, corrects, and defines the disciple. Now, the essence of guru. Now, what is the importance of guru? Dispelling darkness. Guru helps us to come out of darkness. The word guru, if we look into in Sanskrit terminology, here gu means darkness and ru means removal of darkness, meaning the one who dispels darkness. And if we look into the foundation of learning in ancient Vedic traditions, the Guru Sishya Parampara, the teacher disciple lineage was the foundation of learning, which went hand in hand with character building, a continuous process of imparting values through actions. And even in a national education policy of 2020, we find this idea in Indian knowledge system, in the character building process, and the whole idea of moral and value based education. Now, the living force, how Guru is not just a teacher, their presence is a living force, a feeling, a constant source of strength, direction, and inspiration. Now, one should not forget the first guru, and that is the mother, as the first guru introduces a child to this new world and guides the first steps of life. The guru imparts knowledge to the seeker, while the Sadguru nurtures wisdom. So, we should look into the idea of the first guru and what can be more beyond that. Then, the enduring legacies of such guidance. Now, if we look into the aspects of spirituality and intellectual exchange, the bond between Vishwamitra and Lord Ram, Guru Ravidas and Mirabai, Ramanand and Kabir, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and the successive Sikh Gurus all exemplify the enduring legacy of spiritual and intellectual exchange in Indian civilization. And if you look into the moral framework, these sacred relationships offered a moral framework to society, as did the bonds between Samat Guru Ramdas and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Swami Virajanand Saraswati, and Swami Dayanand Saraswati in the modern era. Now, the transformative influence, how these gurus impart. Now, if we have the examples of Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, who transformed Swami Vivekanandaji's into a spiritual giant who carried Indian philosophy to the West. Similarly, the divine lineage of Mahavatar Babaji, Lahiri Mahasaya, Sri Yukteswara, and Paramhans Yogananda continues to inspire seekers worldwide. Now, what we need to impart to the future generation and in the digital age, what exactly the challenges are. So, Guru Purnima is a celebration which is of learning, wisdom, and gratitude. So, in an era which is often overwhelmed by information and competition, the presence of a true teacher, whether spiritual master or coach, educator, parent, or even a digital mentor, becomes more crucial, going beyond religion and rituals. The absence of ethics has shattered the social fabric. The mere shadow of the Guru keep one from the path of wrongdoing. So as we move further into the digital age, into the world of AI, the timeless message of Guru Purnima encourages us to seek knowledge, rediscover ourselves, our inner self, the inner guidance, honor our mentors, respect them, value them, and become sources of light for others, helping to build a value driven humanity. So I think the students and viewers at large would try to understand the importance of Guru Purnima and the very meaningful article by our Honorable Law Minister. So we should read this article, and if you have any comment, anything which you want to ask, you can put it here across. So thank you all. Have a nice day.